This is my audience, Paige, Andy, and JC.
Hey, make sure that's right.
Do you wake up every morning and have a routine? First shower, brush your teeth, wash your hair. Why do we do these things every day? Isn't once enough? Personal hygiene is simply the most important task that you do every day. Every morning and night, we perform these routines to keep ourselves sanitary for health, social, and personal reasons. There are exceptions to this expectations of cleanliness, but there are those who are less fortunate that cannot afford these products. But if you are, why not use them? After crawling out of bed, I first put on my contacts, brush my teeth, fix my hair, and then that night when I get home, I take a shower and recomb my hair. Day after day, we perform these routines because it is important to have personal hygiene, not only for my health, but for my social and personal life as well. First, I will establish the first important personal hygiene routine for health reasons. Secondly, I will explain how poor health can affect your social life. And thirdly, I will inform you of how personal hygiene can affect your personal life. Practicing good personal hygiene every day is a quick and easy, but neglecting it can cause long and hard consequences. First main point is that simple tasks that you overlook and every once in a while cannot be ignored because they do make a difference. Going without regular hand washing, toothbrushing, and showers can accumulate germs, dirt, and body odor. Simply brushing your teeth every day can cause such a change in your life with having a clean, bright smile and accepting towards others in your daily life. Protecting your teeth and gums for disease is also very important. Taking a shower and washing your hands at least once a day gives you the opportunity to wash away sweat and dirt, according to Personal Growth website. You are at an increased risk for illness when you neglect personal hygiene practices. Maintaining good health can be easily achieved and illnesses can be easily neglected. Having good health is a great motivator for anyone, but if that's not for you, how do you feel about maintaining your social life? We interact socially every day in one way or another. All in all, our personal hygiene is exhibited. How can you accept someone or take them seriously if you do not take yourself seriously and keep yourself clean? Most everyone from childhood to adulthood wants to be accepted. The first step is meeting someone. Their first meet with you will depend on how you look, whether we like that or not. Cleanliness is the easiest form of making ourselves interesting and inviting, along with having a bright, warm smile. For example, says Joe Johnson, a brown-white smile versus a clean white smile can endear people, and the brown smile will cause embarrassment and alter our self and well-being. If we keep ourselves presentable and smelling good, people won't be repulsed by our outside, and then they can really truly meet our inside. Not only making our appearance inviting is important in meeting new people, but also in our professional lives. Imagine that you are the boss hiring for a new position, and you have a choice between someone that is very clean and someone that is not. The first man with a clean cut, combed hair, fragrant cologne, and a clean smile will most likely get the job, as opposed to the man standing next to him with his hair sticking out like he had just crawled out of bed, smells of body odor, and needs a shower, and has food stuck in his teeth. Who do you suppose would get the job? If we do not take care of ourselves in both personal hygiene and our general appearance, both professional and social exclusion can occur. When you take care of your hygiene needs every day, you find it easier to think well of yourself. You feel good physically, which helps view yourself in a positive light. Socially, you cannot control what people think of you, but personally you can. You can choose whether to brush your teeth, whether to be smelling good by putting on cologne and perfume and taking a shower every day, and this can cause better standards for yourself, as well as personal confidence and motivation, as well as self-esteem. If you feel good about yourself, it's easier to present yourself to others, especially when applying for a job or other social activities. You may not think that personal hygiene has a large factor in your life, and you may feel fine without performing these practices, but over time you will find that you will be rudely awakened socially, physically, and by poor health. Personal hygiene is simply a very important task to manage. It is simple and easy, and you should do it every time, every morning, as well as at night. I first established the importance of personal hygiene for health reasons. Secondly, I explained how poor health can affect your social life. And lastly, I informed you of how personal hygiene as a whole can affect your life. So yes, showering, brushing your teeth, Combing your hair, slipping on fresh, clean clothes, and spraying some perfume day after day is very important. Will you neglect such a simple task that can make a large difference in your life?